Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This one is a memory plan with me using this kit by Planning World. It's called D101 and it's been a long time since I planned with a Planning World kit. I'm super excited about this. Her kits are so full. They're 6 pages, which is insane for a kit. Well, it's insane because it's like the same price as other shops' kits, but for some reason she's able to do 2 pages more than other shops. But yeah, and this kit is so like unique to me at least. The colors themselves are quite muted and like neutral. Like there's a lot of creams, a lot of pinks, tan, this like navy charcoal type of dusty color, a lighter dusty blue color, and then a very, very saturated black. It's like so nice, so rich. And yeah, I just had a lot of fun playing with this kit. It's not just like because of the colors, but also the clip art deco that was used for this kit are so different. I guess you can't really see it right now, so maybe I'll just talk about it later when you can, so you know what I'm talking about. But okay, so I'm just putting down the base right now. Everything so far has been from the kit. I actually decided to use all 3 strips of the bottom washi, which I don't typically do for Planning World kits. I usually omit like the smaller one, but thought it was a fun look to use all 3. There, you can see it there. The date dots that I used are from Nikki Plus 3. They're just leftovers from another kit. And here, I'm putting down the full boxes so you can kind of see from like the style of the clip art elements. They're like, they're not like blocky, but they're like, I don't know. I know there's like probably a specific name to the style of that art. If anyone knows, can you just let me know down below in the comment section? Just because I honestly don't know too much about art, to be like perfectly honest with you, but I know that's like a specific style of art. But anyway, okay, let's get into this sidebar. I pulled in a squares frame box from Melissa's Craft Shop. That September script is from the Glitter Mama, which I do have a coupon code and a freebie to the Glitter Mama now. My code is Justine20. Everything, all my like coupon and discount codes will always be linked down below. And then the garlands that I used are from the Pretty Pink Co. and Sadie Stickers. And so, yeah, did I mention what week this is? This is the week of September 13th through the 19th. So what I mean by like memory planning is that this planner is not functional whatsoever, like not in the slightest. This has happened months ago, and I'm just kind of using the sticker kit to like jot down all my memories from this specific week so I can, it's like a creative outlet for me, but it's also nice to remember like what happened and, So anyway, this week was super, super exciting because our kitchen remodel resumed at this point. So essentially, the contractor had finished like installing all the cabinets and all that, and then the next phase was installing the countertops. And with the countertop installation, there was like one thing that we didn't love and that they had to fix, and it took them quite a while to fix that and to install the fixed piece. So between like the first phase of like the cabinets being installed and then the kitchen resuming at this point, it was like maybe over a month, which sucked because we couldn't use our kitchen in that time point. But I'm just really excited that, regardless of all that the kitchen remodel was resumed this week and finished. So we were finally able to actually have a usable kitchen at this point. And so what happened on Monday is that they installed like the backsplash on one, or they started the installation of the backsplash. But wow, I'm not explaining this well at all, but I pulled in a scallop circle from Crafts by Towie, as well as that house icon from Crafts by Towie. I'm going to use that house icon for I think every day of the remodel, just because I just hauled those icons and I wanted to use them. And so after the work that they did on Monday, that was the first time in like maybe 2 months that we used the stove, and that was super exciting. I don't think I got groceries before this happened, so I literally just made like frozen ravioli, but still very yummy and very exciting to finally have a working kitchen. Okay, so let me see. On Tuesday, I just got my eyebrows done. That icon is from Lilac Luna Plans, and then I just got some pizza on the way home. That icon is from Cross by Towie. I do like to mark my work meetings every day, so I work just a normal 9 to 5 Monday through Friday type of job, and I work remotely, which is awesome. And so I feel like work takes up a big portion of my day, so I do like to mark it, even though it's like not the most like sexy exciting thing to mark. But I do pull in my white deer stationery laptop icons to mark my meetings every day, and then I just accent that with some foil accents from Sadie Stickers, the Glitter Mama, and it looks like that's it so far. Okay, and then I am pulling in some random floral deco just because I feel like I can't plan without floral deco anymore at this point. So the white and yellow florals are from Melissa's Craft Shop. I am going to pull in some like kind of pinky toned florals, and those are going to be from Letters to Apollo. Okay, so then as far as my the kitchen work on Tuesday, they finished the backsplash. So we have like a short wall and a long wall in our kitchen. So they finished all of the backsplash, and then they also grouted the short wall. And so I really loved seeing that, just because, so like for our backsplash, we chose an elongated subway tile that's just like white, but it's like double the size. It's like a 3x12 subway tile, and it also is handmade, so it has this like really beautiful texture to it. And actually, yeah, so I really love that. And just to contrast with that, because our upper cabinets are also white and the base cabinets were like a light gray, we wanted to kind of contrast all of that with a medium toned gray grout for the backsplash. So I really loved how that all came together on Tuesday, and how like the white tiles really pop against that medium gray grout. I love it so much. If you're interested, we use the warm gray grout from Mape. And I really loved how that looked. What was also nice was that you can get that same exact color in a caulk. So if you wanted to do like between the countertop and the grout, the countertop and the first row of the backsplash, you can also do the same color in a caulk as well. So anyway, really love that. The kitchen came out so beautifully. I am absolutely obsessed with it. It's like a very white and a little bit of like pops of gray kitchen, and I know that's like super trendy right now, but I just love the look, the clean classic look of all of that. So okay, on Wednesday, essentially they just finished grouting the longer wall, and then they caulked all along the seams of the backsplash, but also like, I don't know, random places. I don't know. I'm not a contractor, but and then they also installed the cabinet pulls. We went with like a really pretty like gold brass cabinet pull, and I just pulled in tool icons from Cross by Towie to mark that. Okay, on Thursday, I'm just marking that the kitchen finished, and this circle doily is so good. It's from Melissa's Craft Shop, and I just love how she came out with like these like circle frame boxes that aren't foiled, because just sometimes like you just need a fancy box, but you don't want it to be foiled sometimes, because you're gonna put the foiled box with the foiled icon and foil accent decos. It's like, I don't know, it can get a little too much sometimes. So I love those circle doilies. So good. Okay. Let's see. What am I marking here? Thursday, because the kitchen was finally finished, I was so excited and ready to use my brand new kitchen. And so after the gym, I just used a gym bag to mark the workout that I did that day. But now I'm just pulling in some deco and clip art deco from the kit to mark that we cleaned the cabinets, and we wiped them down and all that. And then I started to organize them, because I had just been fantasizing about like where exactly I was going to put everything and like how functional it's going to be. And I just Guys, if you can like design your own kitchen, it is so great because we were able to like specifically pick like drawers and cabinets and like a specific layout that was super functional for our needs. So like one example is that we chose to do like a pull-out spice rack drawer, and that is life changing. It's so good just to have like this very specific designated spot to have all your spices. And I just love it. And we put it like right next to the stove, so everything is within arm's reach and just so practical and functional for us. Now, it's this week happened like three months ago, so we've been enjoying the kitchen for the last 3 months. Absolutely, I am like so obsessed with it. So on Friday, actually, what was kind of funny, I pulled in a bow camera icon from Sadie's Stickers to mark that I had to record a video for work. If you don't know, I work for a health nonprofit. We're like a patient advocacy organization, and so we have fundraising activities. And although I work in research and I'm not too involved in fundraising, I was involved in like this kind of small campaign, and so I had to record a video for that. And this is where like my filming equipment really came in handy. I like I shined my studio lights on me, so like my skin looked really nice in the video, and it was all like really pretty like lighting. And so I just thought that was kind of funny that like my planning filming equipment actually like help me do some things for work. So anyway, I just left that space blank between record and video because I want to eventually like write down the campaign that I record that video for, and I don't want to do that and post that on YouTube just because you guys don't necessarily have to know where I work. But anyway, on Friday we also saw we went to Costco, and then we also saw Shang-Chi. We saw that with my boyfriend's brother, and that was a pretty good movie. That little swooshy that I used underneath writing that is from the Pretty Pink Coat, and I just love using that specific swooshy to like underline things kind of like that. I think it looks so good, to be honest. Okay, on Saturday, this was actually really fun. We went apple picking with my boyfriend's friends. So I just pulled another one of those lace circle doilies and then a pumpkin icon from Lilac Luna Plans. And I know it's not an apple. Okay, I don't have any apple stickers, but I had the pumpkin sticker, and I thought that was close enough. And we also like did see pumpkins, like there are pumpkins like on the ground there, and it was close enough. Okay. Let me see. Okay, let's just go on to Sunday. This is one of those pink toned florals that I mentioned earlier from Letters to Apollo. That divider is from Honey Inked. And I don't think I mentioned that I also use like Bloom Paper Studio lace dividers as headers on top of all of my, or most of my full boxes here. One thing that kind of irks me about those dividers is that they don't span the entire width of the column, which maybe I probably shouldn't use them as headers, but it's okay. Anyway, yeah, I really wish they went to like the whole width, but anyway. Okay, Sunday I never do this, but I did like a double workout. So I did like a Zumba type class, and then I also did a line dancing class, which was super fun. If you know Filipinos, we love line dancing. And yeah. Let's see. And then after that, I just got some groceries on the way home. This box here, this square box, is from Samantha May Sticks, and these are like essentially like the very first like frame fancy boxes that I ever got, and they're just super useful. These are actually, I believe, originally intended for the Hobonichi, so it's kind of like size for like those Hobonichi squares, but I love using them in my vertical planning. So, and then I just used that to mark that I did some cooking, just making use of my kitchen. I made Japanese gyudon, which is like like a rice bowl. And then I also made apple cake, which is basically like the apple version of pumpkin bread or banana bread. It is so good. I mean, we had to make use of all the apples that we got from apple picking, and dang, that was good. I like kind of really want some baked goods right now. But okay, yeah, wow, that went fast. This is the final spread. I really like how it all came together. I think it is really pretty, and I really loved all the colors, and I thought this was so fun to plan with. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, and please like and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!